Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create masking effect on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the CapCut masking effect looks like. I'm going to play my video, okay, like this guys. And then I'm going to show you how we can create this effect on CapCut. Okay, I'm going to create a new project on CapCut. So I'm just going to close this project and then we can click on create right here, new project, and then you can choose the video that you want to edit using CapCut. And for me, I'm just going to use this video. Okay, oops, not this video, it's too long. I'm going to use this one, the same video I have edited before, and I'm going to add the video. Okay, and then you're going to choose the aspect ratio guys. It depends on which platform you want to upload your video, and for me, I'm going to upload it on Instagram, so I'm gonna choose this 9:16 ratio. All right, and then I'm going to add mask to this video. Click on the video and then you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the mask option. Okay, and you can choose the mirror mask and then you can rotate the mask like this and you're going to adjust the feather. Okay, and then we're going to apply keyframe. You can add the keyframe to the beginning of the video. Oops. Okay, and then you're going to move the mask like this. Okay, and then I'm going to move it here and I'm going to create like reveal effect like this, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and then I'm going to play it guys. Yeah, it's so cool. You can use it to create reveal video, or it's up to you. And okay guys, that's all the way to create masking effect on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.